Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that kidney issues are surprisingly common? In fact, millions of people suffer from some form of kidney problem, and it can be as simple as what you're drinking before bed that makes a difference. Stick around, because today we're diving into 11 drinks you can enjoy before hitting the hay that might just support your kidney health. So, let's chat about kidney health for a second. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out waste and balancing fluids in your body. Staying hydrated is super important, and believe it or not, certain drinks can actually boost your kidney function. We're talking about easy additions to your bedtime routine that can make a world of difference for your kidneys. Let's get into it. Now, here's the thing, kidney problems aren't just an adult issue. Kids can face these challenges too, and it's becoming more common. With rising rates of obesity and diabetes, we really need to pay attention to what we're feeding our families. Preventive measures, like adjusting diets and making smart drink choices, can help keep those little kidneys healthy. It's all about being proactive and making small changes that can lead to big health benefits down the road. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here are 11 drinks that you can enjoy before bed to help support your kidneys. First up, we have water. It's the most obvious choice, but it's also the best. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys do their job. Next is coconut water. It's refreshing and loaded with potassium, which is great for kidney health. Third, we've got lemon water. This zesty drink is not only tasty but can help prevent kidney stones due to its citric acid content. Now, moving on to herbal teas. Varieties like nettle tea and dandelion tea are known for their kidney-supportive properties. They can help detoxify your system while you sleep. Speaking of detox, don't forget about beet juice. It's packed with antioxidants and can aid in reducing blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney function. Next up is pomegranate juice. This fruit juice is super high in antioxidants and can help improve kidney function. Number 7 is ginger tea, which can help with inflammation and is great to sip on before bed. Then, we have cranberry juice. It's well known for preventing urinary tract infections and can also support kidney health. Let's not skip on almond milk. It's a great dairy alternative, low in potassium, and super hydrating. Lastly, we have green tea. This drink is a powerhouse of antioxidants and can help improve overall kidney function. So, there you have it. These drinks can easily be incorporated into your nighttime routine, and they're all delicious. Now, here comes the fun part. Did you know that one of the drinks on this list is actually surprising in its benefits? It's none other than pomegranate juice. Studies have shown that it can significantly improve kidney function and even help lower the risk of kidney disease. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to give your kidneys a boost, this is the one to try. To wrap it all up, let's do a quick recap of the key players: water, coconut water, lemon water, herbal teas, beet juice, pomegranate juice, ginger tea, cranberry juice, almond milk, and green tea. Each of these drinks offers unique benefits that can support kidney health, and remember, hydration is key. If you've tried any of these drinks or have other favorites that support kidney health, we'd love to hear about it. Drop your experiences in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and information. Cheers to your kidney health and see you next time.